Second generation iPhone SE compared to iPhone 8 Plus, which model should we buy? A popular question here, there are a lot of people curious. I'll ask for a brief comparison to listen in this clip. Go to watch at the same time. Beginning, let's see what the second generation iPhone SE, what is better than the iPhone 8 Plus? First point, the second generation iPhone SE processor will use the A13 Bionic. Same as iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. But on the side of the iPhone 8 Plus will use the A11 Bionic, which is considered to be 2 years old or so if considering the strength of the second generation iPhone SE anyway, it's stronger than the iPhone 8 Plus. Point 2, regarding camera, although the camera has the same resolution at 12MP, but the rear camera of the second generation iPhone SE has better details, even though there is one lens but can shoot portrait mode. There is a mode of portrait lighting. This is quite complete. Can manage the system clearly after the blur in real time when we were going to take a picture, then can adjust the f-stop. So, how much want to be clear? The latter, how much the second generation iPhone SE can do in the matter of video recording. iPhone SE 2 can record 4K video. Maximum 60 FPS, but the new addition is to record HDR video in 4K resolution as well. Supports a maximum frame rate of 30 FPS, which in iPhone 8 Plus will not be available at this point. The audio system in the video recording stereo support will make the video recording time coming out. The sound looks more dimensional. Supports the feature called Quick Take in camera mode. When we turn on the camera mode to shoot still images but we want to record that moment as a video, we can press and hold the shutter button straight away. Then run out. Quick Take work immediately. By recording the video instead. Next, lighter weight, because the device is smaller, screen size of 4.7 inches compared to 5.5 inches. The body of the iPhone SE 2 is therefore smaller and more suitable for those who need it. The size of the phone is not very big. In this iPhone SE 2, it is smaller and more suitable for hands. In terms of networking, the issue of Wi-Fi in the iPhone SE 2 comes with Wi-Fi 6. But on the iPhone 8 Plus it will use Wi-Fi 5, which the speed is lower. 4G signal speed. The iPhone SE 2 supports 4G connection. Gigabit LTE model. In short, the connection speed of 4G is better. Next is the matter of dual SIM support. On the second generation iPhone SE can use 2 SIMs, which is the first SIM using nano SIM and the second SIM using eSIM. Which the iPhone 8 Plus can only use 1 SIM. And then the last point in terms of price, second generation iPhone SE cheaper than 64GB capacity starting at 14,900 baht, but the iPhone 8 Plus is 64GB capacity. The latest price at this time as far as checks from TrueMove H start at 16,400 baht. Here are the advantages of the iPhone SE 2 that are superior to the iPhone 8 Plus. Let's see some of the superior iPhone 8 Plus. What is the iPhone SE 2? First, the screen is larger. The screen of the iPhone 8 Plus is at 5.5 inches, which is bigger than the second generation iPhone SE with a 4.7-inch size, suitable for people who want a large display, more bigger machine, seeing more detail. Number 2 has 3D touch. The screen of the iPhone 8 Plus supports 3D touch. When we press down to the screen, we'll call up various commands. Here, asking how many gamers are still hooked regarding the 3D touch system that is responsive in order to press commands in a simple game. And more convenient, but in the iPhone SE 2 will cut 3D touch, replaced by haptic touch. The response system may not yet be fast as the 3D touch system. In terms of batteries, of course, the iPhone 8 Plus is larger in size. The battery is also smaller than the iPhone 8 Plus. Battery size will be at 2,691 mAh, which is more than the second generation iPhone SE. The battery size of the iPhone SE 2 is equal to the iPhone 8 as 1,821 mAh. Therefore, the difference between 2,600 and 1,800 will make the duration of that use. There may be significant differences. The last thing is the story of the rear camera. iPhone 8 Plus comes with 2 rear cameras, wide lens and telephoto lens, which the second lens that has been added is the telephoto lens, convenient for taking pictures at a distance, better than the second generation iPhone SE itself. Here are the main conclusions I have already separated for you. The advantages of the iPhone SE 2 are as follows. There are many advantages of the iPhone 8 Plus. Therefore, if a simple summary if anyone wants to get freshness and then can be used for a long time, suggesting that the second generation iPhone SE is the best thing for you right now with a starting price of this level quite rare for the iPhone and then should choose iPhone 8 Plus. If you are a person who likes big screen devices, you can choose this one and want a bigger and longer battery. Chose iPhone 8 Plus. Leave it to be information for making purchase decisions for this clip, just leave. Just like it. If you like it, don't forget to click like and follow our IMOD official channel too. I'll see you in the next clip.